Welcome to Best Choice. The best Peceras Para Peces is probably one of the most exciting additions you can make to your home. But with so many options available, choosing the right one can feel overwhelming. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Peceras Para Peces, exploring different types, sizes, and features to help you find the perfect aquatic home for your fin friends. Number 5. Koller AquaView 2-gallon aquarium with filter and LED. This aquarium is ideal for your tropical fish. It has a trendy design that will look good wherever you put it, and it's easy to set up and maintain. The aquarium features energy-efficient LED lighting with 7 color selections. This brightly illuminates your fish, allowing you to choose from a variety of colors. It has a powerful internal power filter that cleans and purifies the water. The filter removes pollutants, discoloration, odors, heavy metals, and toxic gases. The aquarium is made of impact-resistant plastic, providing crystal-clear clarity. It is leak-proof, ensuring the safety of your fish and your home. The dimensions are 10.2 inches in diameter and 10.5 inches in height. Refer to the technical specifications for installation instructions. What we like. This aquarium boasts a trendy design, making it a stylish addition to any space. It also features energy-efficient LED lighting with multiple color options to brighten your fish's world. Moreover, the complete filtration system ensures a healthy environment for your aquatic friends. If you're looking for a compact and visually appealing aquarium for your betta or small tropical fish, you should consider this one. What people say. The aquarium is very beautiful. The design is very nice. It is a great product. Number 4. Tetra ColorFusion 20-gallon aquarium kit. This is the Tetra ColorFusion aquarium kit. The LED light can transform your aquarium with each color change. You can pause the cycle on any color to fully customize it. The anemones sway with your filter current, giving your fish a place to hide and relax. It's a great way to make your aquarium more lively. Tetra plants come to life under the glow of ColorFusion LED. They add a natural look to the aquarium, making it a beautiful environment. The Tetra ColorFusion kit includes a 20-gallon glass aquarium, an aquarium hood, a UL heater, a Tetra Whisper 20 filter, a ColorFusion LED, 2 Wonderland plant multipacks, and a blooming white anemone. Everything you need is in the box. The aquarium dimensions are 24.2 inches long, 12.4 inches wide, and 16.7 inches high. It's the perfect size for your home. What we like. The Tetra ColorFusion kit features color-changing LED lights to transform your aquarium. It also includes decor to create a vibrant underwater world. With its 20-gallon capacity, it offers ample space for your fish to thrive. If you like a larger aquarium with customizable lighting and included decorations, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. The aquarium is very beautiful. The product is exactly as described. The aquarium is of good quality. Number 3. Lightahead Mini Aquarium, LED Swimming Fish Tank. This is a great alternative to a regular aquarium. It's perfect for your desktop, children's room, or any room in your house. It can even be used as a night light to help kids sleep well. This lamp is manufactured with precision to create an atmosphere of peace and relaxation. The gentle movement of the fish creates a soothing deep-sea ambience, which can help reduce stress and anxiety. This product is great for children, adults, and seniors with special needs. It may help improve mood and well-being. The tank includes 3 artificial fish, 3 colorful LED lights, and an ocean background. Simply fill it with tap water, add a few drops of detergent, and watch it come to life. It can be powered by batteries or a cable. This is a great gift for anyone who loves sea life or wants a unique decoration. It's ideal for Christmas, holidays, parties, and any room in your home or office. You deserve the best, and this is it. What we like. This unique aquarium lamp provides a sensory experience with its multicolored LED lights and artificial fish. It creates a tranquil and soothing ambience, perfect for relaxation. The setup is also incredibly easy. If you are looking for a unique and calming addition to your home or a special needs individual, it's a great choice. What people say. The fish swim around using the motion of the motor-blown water. The 3 LED lights and the decorative backsplash are nice touches that make the aquarium seem more realistic. It's really a nice small tank and fits very well on my bar top. Number 2. Koller Products 6.5 Gallon Aquarium Kit, AP650. This aquarium kit features energy-efficient LED lighting. It offers 4 color choices to brightly illuminate your fish, including daylight white, warm white, blue, and blue white. The internal power filter cleans and purifies the water. It has a flow rate of 45 gallons per hour and effectively removes pollutants, odors, and heavy metals. Made of impact-resistant plastic, this tank offers crystal clear clarity. Its design makes it look like glass. The one-piece construction provides superior strength and durability. Unlike glass tanks, you don't have to worry about leaks with this stylishly shaped tank. This trendy fish tank is easy to set up and maintain. It will look good wherever you place it. Dimensions are 18L x 11W x 13.5H. What we like. This aquarium offers energy-efficient LED lighting with multiple color choices to illuminate your fish. It also has a powerful internal filter to keep the water clean. The durable construction ensures it will last. If you want a stylish and easy-to-maintain aquarium, it's a great option. What people say. The built-in light works very nicely with the flip-open tank lid, making access to the entire aquarium for feeding, cleaning, and using tools to reposition tank items easy and carefree. The lights give the aquarium a good look and nice touch. It came complete with a filter and we love the color-changing bulbs. Number 1. Lukovee Automatic Fish Feeder, USB Rechargeable. This new fish feeder displays the accurate time, allowing you to easily track feeding schedules. You can set up to 3 feedings per day, ensuring your fish are fed regularly. The feeder is USB rechargeable with a built-in 700 mAh battery. It needs an initial 4-hour charge. Once fully charged, it can last for 3 to 6 months depending on usage. Adding food is simple, just open the top. You can easily adjust the amount of food dispensed. The silo is also detachable for easy cleaning, giving you more convenience. With a 200 milliliters capacity, it's perfect for feeding fish during weekends or holidays. It's the best way to feed your tank members when you're away. The auto fish feeder suits different tank styles. You can either use the double-sided sticker to fix it on a flat surface, or use the adjustable clamp for tanks with glass up to 24 millimeters thick. What we like. This automatic fish feeder displays the accurate time, so you can keep track of feeding schedules. It's also USB rechargeable, offering convenience. The large capacity is perfect for vacations. If you're a busy professional or planning a vacation, this feeder will ensure your fish are fed on time. What people say. The aquarium is very beautiful. The filter works very well. The lighting is very good. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.